here! Wait lang. Tatawid mo na. Sorry. Ah! Yay! Look at that! Bakasyonista. Hello. Mama G! Hello.
Hindi na. So, dapat daw po, mag-ipilis ka lang. Kaya ano po yung pagkakalita.
Hi guys! So, kakatapos lang namin kumain.
Link. Dapat po, alam nyo kung kanino nyo po siya, i-refer.
Ito yung view.
Ano yung kanyang pinagdadala.
You're the best view!
Tao, hindi.
Cute.
Dapat yung pinakanan.
Hey guys, good morning. So, lumabas lang ako ng room while I'm cooking breakfast. Nagpapakulo pa ako ng meat. Kahit na sino lang. So, we're just gonna visit the pool area. Ayan, so, I don't know if we're gonna be able to swim later. I'm just gonna try to look on the area. There's a restaurant here. Open 9 a.m. They're open 9 a.m. Pero 6 p.m. lang. So, at night, ganda siya. But, not until 9 a.m. we're gonna be able to swim. But it's fine with me. Kasi 9 pa talaga yung aking plan na mag-swim. Tapos mga 10 tayo. Oh, look. That's weird. Yeah. That's gonna be the pool area. It's okay sana if mga 6 a.m. Siguro 30 minutes is fine with me to swim. Para mga 10 tayo. Pwede na tayo mag-pack. So yeah. Sayang di kami makaligo kagabi kasi sobrang dilim. The only lights were on were in this restaurant or bar, I think. So yeah. I'm the only person here. And we're going back to the room. And I'll give you the room too. Sorry, di ko na na-vlog. Sobrang putol-putol na ang ating sobrang putol-putol ng videos ko because I was like super tired na kahapon kasi alam mo yung nanonood lang sila yung sleeping sobra tulog ko talaga ako sinaya nila akong mag grocery but wasn't able to go up get up. Yeah. Oops, like this. So this is our room. nervy. I have to lock the door. Bye, guys. Gar. Bye, guys.
Bawang to. Ano ba? Ano ka?
Balik tayo sa swimming pool. Bye, Mama Chin. We're going home. So I don't know yet if we're gonna get the taxi or we're gonna walk. Hindi ko alam saan sinasabi nyo. Saan ba sinasabi nyo? Saan yung sinasabi nyo sa sasakyan? Orange niya. Ito yung mga biglang nagsisnap eh. Hala siya, nagpapa-belly rub up. Oh, di ba? Baliw na. Ay! Tingnan mo.